Okay, so just a quick update here. Me and the unknown mechanic are hanging out at Dunn Lumber, and we are ordering a bunch of aluminum railings. And so we're just waiting for the order on that to get squared away. We have five five posts. We've got an inline post, two starter posts, and two corner posts. Then we have two 8-foot rails and two 6-foot rails, and then we have pickets, but the number of pickets needed was miscalculated, so we are the unknown mechanic has gone back into the sales counter to get the correct number of pickets on our order. But yeah, so we're hanging out here at Dunn Lumber and getting our materials. Dunn's been a real good source of materials for many years for me. Anyway, that's just a short update. There's the old truck there. We're taking a refrigerator to recycling, and then we're going to load all of our goodies up into the back of the truck. And you can see that it has been or is raining outside. We've been enjoying that quite a bit. Okay, so we are gonna get back up to the project here in a minute and install the railings on the deck and get that wrapped up, and then I will have a complete deck video from rot to restoration. Okay, or from rot to railings. There we go. All right, thanks for watching, and we will see you shortly on the next video.